When it comes to lawn care, prevention is always easier than treatment, so it's important you do everything you can to keep your lawn healthy, full, and green. But if you do run into a problem with your lawn, don't worry. There are steps you can take to get it fixed and prevent any further damage. In this video, we'll outline those steps, and if you have any tips, advice, or questions, let us know in the comments. Fertilize the right way. If you don't fertilize enough, your grass isn't going to get the nutrients it needs. If you fertilize too much, you'll get growth that is rushed, weak, and might actually harm the grass. In either case, your lawn is at a higher risk of disease. How often and how much you fertilize depends on a few things. The type of grass you have, the climate of your area, how much water your lawn gets, and the type of fertilizer you choose. Generally speaking, slow-release fertilizers can be applied every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain a healthy lawn, but be sure to follow the instructions on the package and use the proper settings on your spreader. If you have cool season grasses, you'll want to fertilize lightly in early spring and then heavily in the fall, and avoid fertilizing in the peak of summer when the grasses are likely dormant. For warm season grasses, apply fertilizer once you see your grass turning green in the spring, and then again just after the peak of summer passes. Be smart about mowing. Different grass types should be cut to different heights, so know which type of lawn you have and avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the length off during a mowing. A healthy blade length will help to shield the roots from sunshine, encouraging deeper rooting and heat resilience, meaning less chance of disease. Speaking of blades, always keep your mower blade sharp because a dull lawnmower blade will tear the grass rather than cut it, which sets your lawn up for disease. You can easily avoid the risk by sharpening your blade at least once a season. Check out our video showing you how to properly sharpen your lawnmower blades in the description below. If while mowing you suspect any kind of fungal disease in your lawn, collect the clippings and get rid of them rather than leaving them on the lawn or composting them. Keeping them around increases the risk of spreading the disease to other parts of your lawn. Plan your watering schedule. Early morning watering is best since the rising sun helps to gently dry your lawn. Late morning or early afternoon sunshine will quickly evaporate the water, depriving your grass of the moisture it needs. Rather than watering frequently, water deeply once or twice per week. Wetting the soil to a depth of 4 to 6 inches will encourage deeper root growth and resilience to disease. And if you have your sprinklers on a timer, make sure to adjust the schedule based on how much rain you'll be getting each week. This will keep the lawn getting a consistent amount of water. Dethatch and aerate your soil. Compacted soil and a thick layer of thatch will restrict water and air, encouraging disease. If this sounds like your lawn, you should aerate twice per year and dethatch your lawn down to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. If you have a healthy lawn, you should aerate and dethatch once a year to keep it healthy. Keep soil at the proper pH level. If your soil is high alkaline or overly acidic, your lawn can't access all the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy. And when this unhealthy grass gets stressed, it's more prone to disease or the growth of undesirable plants like lawn moss. Most lawns do best with slightly acidic soil, somewhere around 6.0 to 7.0 pH. You can test your soil each season and make adjustments to get the results you want. If your soil has a low pH, meaning it's overly acidic, adding lime can help balance things out. If the soil has a high pH, meaning it's too alkaline, elemental sulfur in granular form is typically recommended. You can ask your local garden center to make sure you get what's right for your lawn. If your lawn gets to a point where none of these steps will solve the problem, it may be time to call on the professionals to get your grass back in order. Share any lawn care tips you have in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you keep your lawn looking its best. Thanks for watching. To keep your mower or any other lawn equipment in working order, visit us at ereplacementparts.com.